Hi Squeaks, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the secret that made my art get better fast. Because if your drawings look like they're made by a tired potato, this video is for you. And don't worry, my art used to look like it was made with a potato with dreams. Okay, so this is how I became an artist. One day I had an Amazon gift card. I really wanted to buy Hello Kitty stuff. I was like, Mom, this is important for my future. My mom was like, no. So I was heartbroken, emotionally devastated. Original art story unlocked here, guys. I found some out. As I searched on Amazon, I found some shuttle art alcohol markers. So I decided to buy them and I drew Hello Kitty and I thought it was amazing. I was like, wow, I am an artist. Put me in a museum. Frame this. But now, looking back, it was not good. It was suspicious. For 3 years, I thought my art was a fire, but actually, it was a small candle. I tried anime styles, cartoon styles, realistic styles, and whatever style my brain made up at 2 a.m. I drew big eyes, tiny eyes, no nose, 3 noses. Nothing worked. Till one day, I found my art style, and after that, my art started improving really fast. And it was all because of this one secret. Watch this video all the way to the end and I'm going to be telling you a secret that a lot of artists might not know and how you can improve your art fast. Before we start that, I'm going to give you 5 tips to get better at art. Tip 1, draw even when it looks bad. Don't wait until you're good at art. Draw when it's ugly, because all of those ugly drawings that you draw are actually like warming up your art skills. So like the more you draw, the better your art skills will get, and the more you have that time to draw, when you try to draw, your art might actually start looking better. Tip 2, don't just copy, study. Instead of just copying, ask what makes this artist's art look good? What type of shading are they using? What type of art supplies are they using? What type of techniques are they using? So make sure you study, kind of like turn into an art detective. Solve the mystery of drawing good, right? Tip 3, try lots of art styles. You don't need to find your art style, you collect it first. Like, try looking at other artists' art style. See what they do that makes their art style unique and basically unique to them. And once you understand that, your art style will come to you naturally the more you draw, of course. On to that, tip 4, finish your drawings. Even if it looks bad, finish it. Don't just sit there and say, wow, this is looking kind of stale. Well, peace out. No, stay. Trust the process, keep drawing, don't give up, and eventually it will start looking good. With that, we're at tip 5. Draw what you love. If you draw stuff you love, that will make drawing more of a fun thing to do than a pain in the back. Don't just draw that one thing that all your friends love seeing you draw. Draw other things, and trust me, drawing will become more of a fun hobby than a boring challenge to do because you want to become an artist. And now you have made it to the secret tip. I'm going to be revealing the thing that made my art improve so fast and that so artists don't know. And now, the secret tip that made my art improve fast. I stopped trying to make perfect art, and I started trying to improve one thing at a time. You see, starting off when drawing, you're not going to know how to do everything. You might not know how to draw eyes, ears, or heads. So practicing drawing just those things you don't know individually, and then after you've studied those, putting them all together, you're going to see instant improvement in your art. Trust me, after I started doing that, I'm like, hey, my head's looking better, my nose is looking better, the shapes of my art is looking better. And trust me, I know everyone on YouTube says, be consistent, just draw a ton and your art will magically improve. Well, what if you don't know what to do to make your art magically improve? That's why instead of just drawing to draw things that you need to work on. Don't make drawing just as something just to draw random things and random scribbles. Make the most out of it and the best of it so you can actually see improvement in your art and not just wasting your time drawing things you don't know. And with that is all the art tips I have to share today. Comment below your art story. And also make sure to tell me your favorite art tips. And if you like watching this video, make sure to go subscribe to my small channel. And with that, bye my squeaky friends. See you in the next video.